of the nasal cavity along with the paranasal air sinuses. So we are going to discuss the features of the model. First of all, starting from the above, this is the large one is the frontal air sinus. Going posteriorly, we have this sphenoidal air sinus. You can notice the bony projections. This is the body of the sphenoid. If we move it downwards into the nasal cavity, first of all, this is the vestibule, and this soft part is the antrum. And this margin that is actually separating this vestibule from this antrum is the Lyman nasi. This is the Lyman nasi. Coming towards the concas, this is the inferior concha cut section, this is the middle concha, and this is the superior concha's cut section. And if we notice the openings of the sinuses in these meatuses, actually these are the meatuses here, we have removed the concas. This is the inferior meatus, this is the middle meatus, and this is the superior meatus. In this inferior meatus, there is a opening of the nasolacrimal duct, which is shown here, nasolacrimal duct. And in this middle meatus, there is a opening of actually this multiple sinuses. First of all, here you can notice the semilunar structure here. This is known as hiatus semilunaris, and this bulging structure is the ethmoidal bulla. In the anterior part of this hiatus semilunaris, we have the opening of the frontal air sinus, and the frontal air sinus opens into it through the infundibulum. And in the posterior part, we have the opening of the maxillary sinus. You can notice the maxillary sinus on the lateral side of the face. This is the maxillary sinus, and this is the opening that is going into this hiatus semilunaris in the posterior part. Ethmoidal bulla. Actually, we have the opening of the middle and the anterior sinus in the inferior middle meatus, and if we demarcate more of it, we can say that the posterior one opens, the middle one opens into this ethmoidal bulla, while the posterior one opens into the frontonasal duct, and then finally through the frontonasal duct it opens into the hiatus semilunaris. So this is the opening of the anterior जो है वो ethmoidal sinus. This is the medial pterygoid plate. This is hard palate, and this is formed by two bones. The first one is the palatine process of the maxillary bone, and this is the horizontal plate of the palatine bone. This is the nasal bone, and this is the nasal cartilage. So this is about the sagittal section of nasal cavity.